Do you want to speak English like a native speaker? Then the video is only for you. So if you want to speak English like a fluent, like a pro, you must follow 4 modules, and they are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, for the first time, I absolutely recommend you to just start 2 modules. They are listening and speaking. Try to listen every single day as much as possible, and try to speak English with your friends and family members. Then you will see that you are able to improve. You can speak English. Just follow it for a month. And if you don't get any improvement, absolutely you can contact with me. Then I will give you the final solution for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.